this video, I will tell you how you can know about anyone, anytime, anywhere. The only three things that you need is a stable internet, a laptop, and obviously Google. Welcome to the only guide to Google Dorking. Google Dorking is shared here for educational purposes only. Do not use it to access unauthorized or sensitive information. Misuse may be illegal. Google Docking, also named as Google hacking, though we are not gonna hack Google, is a type of an OSINT technique, basically open source intelligence, something that you can access that is publicly available. So Google hacking or Google Docking uses specific terms such as file type, etc. These attributes help you to filter your Google search to find certain things about anything. For example, I want to know about a hacker named John Dalton. Well, it's pretty easy to know anything about him. By just his name, many things on the internet are linked just to his name. For example, first of all, I only know his name, so I'll just write John Dalton in double quotes as usual. Here it is. Then I want to know all the files related to his name. So the easiest attribute to do this in Google Docking is file type, and for example, I want to know his emails. Guess where are emails found? You're right, in CVs, in his interviews, etc. So all of those type of files are PDF. So I'll write PDF. Just clicking enter would give you all the PDFs related to him. Just like that. You can see the PDF, you can see PDF. Exactly. For example, if I want to know about, let's say, the social media site, his social media account, then I'll write site being, let's say, Instagram. Instagram.com. Clicking enter gives you everything that is there on Instagram related to John Dalton. Well, these are one of the two most common types of Google Docking attributes. Well, what exactly are we doing here so that Google is making us see all of this? Well, we are manipulating Google search by using different attributes such as intitle, file type, site. All of these things help us to find specific information that is available all over the internet for the public. By using these techniques, the government can track anyone on this planet. Even you can do it too, but make sure you should not use it for illegal purposes. Well, all the other things, the attributes that are required, I've given it down in the description. Go and visit it, and you will get the cheat sheet of the attributes of Google Docking or Google hacking. One thing that I haven't showed you or told you yet is by using the most common attribute that is there, that is called intitle. You can access anybody's webcam whose setting is set to public. Yes, you can do that, and though it's a little creepy, but you should not try it, and I'm telling you that because it is illegal to access people's webcam. So this was all in today's video. I hope you learned something new, and I'm warning you again, don't use it for malicious purposes. Also, the cheat sheet is down in the description. You can visit it, and I guess you should give Google Docking a try. Basically, be safe on the internet. Come on.